Hello friends, happy Monday. Or happy Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, depending on whichever day you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, right, so for today's video, I have wanted to do something like this for quite a while now. So if you guys don't know what Groupon or Voucher or those kind of similar websites are, then they're basically websites where you can find cheap deals for things. They normally have like limited kind of timed offers and stuff. You can get discounts from restaurants. They sell like package kind of weekend trips away and stuff like that. And they also have, when I was browsing on there, I noticed a lot of different online courses that you can buy for like really ridiculously cheap. And it says that they're reduced from like £200 to like £10, and I'm kind of like, yeah, but were you really £200 in the first place? I came across a makeup artist course on there, and it's supposedly like an online accredited makeup artistry course which you do fully online, and it's ridiculously cheap. They've actually got loads of different ones and for loads of different topics and stuff. But I just thought it would be so interesting to pay however much for this cheap makeup artistry course, do the course and see if I actually learn anything other than what I already know. Because if you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you will know that I'm not a makeup artist. I've never claimed to be a makeup artist. I've never done any sort of training. Obviously, like, my skills as a makeup artist aren't the best, but they're also not the worst. And everything that I've learned, I've pretty much learned off YouTube and like online for free. And so I just thought it'd be really interesting to do one of these courses and see if it's actually worth the money. So I've got my laptop here. We're gonna go sit at my desk and let's see what happens. I really don't understand how vloggers can use a DSLR to vlog because my arm is actually shaking because this is so heavy. Okay, so when you first go onto the Voucher website, it basically has just got tons of different things like June bestsellers. It's got some Apple earbuds supposedly, some full health MOT, a trip away to Devon or Somerset. Like, there's just so many different offers in here. Non-surgical nose jobs, like literally they pretty much have every single thing on here that you could think of. Okay, right, here's one of them here. This is a 3-hour special effects makeup class. Was £190, now £29 apparently. There's so many different things. And then if you go onto here and type in online courses, as you can see, it's got like a criminology course, social media marketing course, and they are so cheap. Like, this one says it's reduced from £175 to £29. This one is just £9. Like, if you guys ever want to do a course, then either Voucher or Groupon are the places to go. Like, Groupon as well, which is this website here, they have tons of online courses too. You can do a freaking course in forensic ballistics for £14. I do not understand. Makeup artist online course. Oh, I spelled course wrong. So they have loads of different ones. This one right here says that it's an accredited makeup artist course. Now £19, was £199. And yeah, it says that you get like a certificate at the end of it or something. They have this one, which is like a proper makeup artist course, which is £349. I'm not gonna go for that one, funnily enough, because I feel like that's like the real deal. Okay, but the one that I was interested in, right? This one right here says it's an accredited makeup artist course. You get a certificate, unlimited access, you get a student discount card with NUS and tutor support. It's all online, it's accredited, whatever that means, and it's literally £9. So I think I'm gonna go for this one. I kind of forgot that if I was sitting here, you guys would be able to see all the mess in my room. Does anyone else just have a clothing pile that you move between like your chair and your bed? And when you're in your chair, the clothes are on the bed. When you're on your bed, the clothes are on the chair, because that's just how I live my life. Okay, so laptop is right here in front of me. I am about to buy this course and read the details. Okay, so the breakdown of this course, it says, take an online makeup artist diploma course, comprised of 7 stunning modules, enjoy unlimited access to the course materials, including illustrations and detailed tutorials. When you sign up, you'll be eligible for an NUS discount card, which I am definitely gonna do because I used to have one of those and it's so good for getting student discounts. I am very skeptical about this one because I find it very hard to believe that this course would ever be £99 in the first place. I feel like they're only worth £9 in the first place, if you know what I mean. So that's the first thing I'm skeptical about. Second thing I'm skeptical about is, how can they say that you can do a course for £9 online, not practicing on anyone, and then you get some certificate at the end of it, and supposedly it's an accredited makeup artist course. I feel like that just puts out the wrong impression, because for people that are actually makeup artists, you need to practice on so many faces. You can't just do like an online course for a tenner and then expect to be able to do like a bride's makeup. You know what I mean? It also says that there's 7 different modules, and the modules are makeup artistry, makeup 101, all about the base, all about the face, how-tos, classic makeup looks, and a career as a makeup artist is module number 7. Total to pay £9. Congratulations, you have saved £90. Okay, so this is what happens next. It now says how to redeem, and I have to go to the Harley Oxford website and redeem my unique code. Huh? Vouchers are processed within 48 hours of submitting your details below. Great. I didn't really think this through. I just kind of thought it was going to be like an instant thing because it's Monday today and I'm filming this for Monday's video. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. That's literally all it says. Okay, so just a quick little update. It's now like 3 hours later. I keep checking my emails and nothing has come through yet, so I'm guessing that I'm not going to be able to make this video today, and I'm going to have to continue this either tomorrow or the next day when I actually get the email with my course or whatever is actually going to come in, like my login details or something. If you're signing up for an online course, don't expect it to be instant. Hello, so just a little update. Today is now Friday. I started filming this video on Monday, and I was kind of hoping, you know, that I was going to get it up on Monday, but that did not go to plan. So what I did is I waited the 48 hours because I was giving them the benefit of the doubt. I was like, you know what? It says that it's going to take 48 hours for you to like receive your login details for the course or whatever. So I waited 48 hours. I actually went to Berlin on Wednesday, like early Wednesday. And by then I still hadn't got my login details, and I was in Berlin from Wednesday till Thursday. Okay, so I emailed their customer service and said, hi there, I purchased a voucher for your accredited makeup artist diploma from Voucher on the 2nd of July. I completed the redeem form on your website, however it has been more than 48 hours and I've not yet received my course. The voucher code is blah blah blah. I would be grateful if you would help me redeem this course as I would like to start it ASAP. Many thanks, Sophie. And that was on Wednesday, and then I got a reply on Thursday, which was yesterday, and they said, hello Sophie, thank you for enrolling on your makeup artistry course with Harley Oxford. I'm pleased to confirm that your OLP account is now active and you can access it using the details below. Okay, so I have successfully managed to log into the course. Progress 0% overall grade, and then it like lists all the things you're going to do in the modules, like an introduction to makeup artists, basic tools, identifying your skin type, skin and undertone, like cleansing, skincare, the base, eyebrows, winged liner, like there's a lot of stuff. No makeup look, the office look, nighttime glam, bridal makeup look. Like there is just a lot of content in this course, and I don't really understand how, like, do you think this is actually going to be any good? Because I have no idea. Okay, so right now I'm already really confused. This is literally like the first page, and it's just kind of like an essay talking about how makeup is like people's personal preference, and then it's got recommended reading down the side of like books that they recommend, and then at the bottom it just says, have you completed this unit? Then mark this unit as completed. Like, is that what it's going to be like for the whole course? You have now completed this unit. Well, that was easy. It seems like it's mostly just pictures and writing. This is going to take me a while. Okay, so far I'm up to, where am I up to? Module 2, Unit 3. And pretty much all it's done so far is talked about like the tools that you use to apply your makeup and how to identify your skin type. So far, like everything that I've read through, the pages are quite short. Like there's not too much information on one page. But you know, it's still like useful information, but it is stuff that I already knew just from like watching YouTube videos and just doing my own kind of research online. So yeah, like I feel like you could just easily type in makeup tools on YouTube and there would be somebody that had like a guide of makeup tools, or even just researching on Google. So I've decided that what I'm going to do is I've got a little notepad here and a pen, and as I go through this course I'm going to write down stuff that I didn't already know, and then at the end of like completing the course I'm going to see what I actually learned. At the end of each section it has like different questions, like which colour conceals redness, and it's got like 3 different options of answers, but you can't actually click on the answers to see if you got them right. Unlike the irregular brush, beauty sponges are easier to use, clean, and throw in your purse. They're not really cleaner than a brush because you still have to clean them every time you use them, and also throw in your purse. I feel like a beauty sponge is more difficult to throw in your purse than like a makeup brush. Am I wrong or am I right? I don't really know. And I've also just noticed on this page there's like quite a few mistakes. Firstly, down at the bottom there, instead of tweezer it says Weezer, and that you should have a Weezer instead of a tweezer in your makeup kit. And also something here that I'm not too impressed with. It says you should have a neutral eyebrow palette, and it says eyebrow palettes may be intimidating to some. This mostly consists of shades that play around the colours brown, cream, beige, taupe, champagne, vanilla, peach and plum. This will allow you to create a dimension to your eyes. Do they mean eyeshadow palette? Okay, so now that I am at the end of module 2, it does have like some questions to answer, which is good because I feel like I can test myself now. Whoever has created this course has literally just taken screenshots of one of Jacqueline Hill's old YouTube videos and just put it in the course. See, like, this is what I mean. I feel like all of this information is already online. Okay, so I started this course at 10 to 3. It's now 20 to 4, so far it's taken me 50 minutes. And the exam is 30 minutes long, so let's see how long this takes me and see what I get. I haven't done an exam since my A-levels, so wish me luck. Okay, right, I've got 29 minutes and it's like counting down. Question 1. A paddle brush is used to lightly dust loose powders and sometimes highlighters. No, not a paddle brush. A paddle brush is like a hairbrush, isn't it? False. Which brush is perfect for smudging eyeliner and bringing eyeshadow on the lower lash line? A smudge brush? The problem areas of dry skin is which of the following? Shiny, oily face, I think not. Shiny, oily T-zone, I think not. The entire face is usually flaky and dry. Like, I feel like anyone could answer these questions and get like the majority of them right. Hey, it took me 4 minutes and 32 seconds and I got 35 out of 35, 100%. It says you have successfully passed the makeup artist final assessment. Your certification is now being processed and will be sent digitally via email to you to download within 7 to 12 working days. I wonder if that'll be a similar sort of situation to when they said it would take 48 hours. Okay, so I've literally just put on a bit of mascara on my top lashes and I didn't really see the point of putting on a full face of makeup just for the end of this video. If you guys want, I can do my own version of kind of like a makeup course style video with all the basics that you need to know about makeup. I feel like that could be helpful. Just, you know, using all of my knowledge and, well, pretty much most of the knowledge that was in that course is all available online anyway, but if you guys want me to do my own version, some kind of beginner's makeup guide video, then I can do that for you. But I've got my little list here of stuff that I just wanted to talk about on this course. So basically it took me 55 minutes in total, including the exam at the end. I got 100% overall, which is pretty cool, but I mean, to be honest, like, I do think that the course had a lot of good content in there, but it was stuff that I already knew, and I feel like if you watch a lot of YouTube videos and just people that do makeup and makeup tutorials, and if you're just interested in makeup and skincare and stuff in general, then you would probably know all of the stuff that was in that course already. I do think that it would be good if you would completely new to makeup and you had no idea what you were doing. Like, it did have useful information, like, I'll give it that, like, it was good content, but I still just think that you could easily access all of that information for free. So I'm glad that I only paid £9 for it. It said it was originally supposed to be £99. If I had paid £99 for that course, I would be asking for a refund right now because it took me 55 minutes and I didn't really learn that much. So it doesn't mean that you're qualified as a makeup artist. You do get some kind of certificate to just say that you've completed the course, but it by no means means that you're like a qualified makeup artist and can go out and start doing like bridal makeup and stuff. Like, that is not what these courses are for. They're just like a bit of extra education, so don't think that you can sign up for a course on Voucher and then the next day be going off and like doing celebrity makeup on TV, you know? Like, it's just not gonna happen. One of the things that I learned when they were talking about like skincare and base stuff, that was like a good module. It was talking about how to find out your skin's undertone. Obviously, like the classic ones are if you suit like warm gold jewelry, then you're more likely a warm undertone. If you suit cooler jewelry, then like silver jewelry, then you're more likely cool toned. If your veins are like more blue, then you're more likely cool toned, and if they're more green, then you're more likely warm toned, and if they're a bit of both, then you're neutral, which is like what I am. One of the ways to determine undertone, which I kind of didn't know, but I'm sure you could easily find it on the internet, is that if you suit earth tone clothes like green, yellow, orange, warm red and brown, then you're more likely to be warm undertones. But if you suit blue clothes and like blue, red, blue, green, violet and pink, then you're more likely to be cool. And I was thinking, I don't really think any of those colours kind of suit me. and I just kind of wear whatever, and it said if you're that, then you're neutral, and I think I am neutral, so, because I got blue and green veins, so I guess that works. Another thing I learned, which was actually the second thing that I learned out of the whole course, is that toner, like when you tone your face, it restores the pH of your skin. I didn't know that. I thought it was just for kind of, you know, tightening your pores and stuff, but apparently it restores the pH of your skin because when you wash your face it can throw off the pH of it. And that is what I learned from this course with my £9. Another thing that I found quite funny, right, there was quite a few spelling mistakes in there, and I was like, if you'd paid nearly £100 for this course, like, you wouldn't expect it to have spelling mistakes. And then my final thing to say is I think that the last page was probably the most useful if you are looking to be a makeup artist, because it had the most information on it, and it had lots of information about like the salary of makeup artists that you should be charging, and also it had a load of links to potential places that they might have jobs going for makeup artists and stuff, and it also had a lot of information about like what to expect being a makeup artist. It had quite a lot of useful information on the last page, but again, I reckon that you could just Google it and still find out the same stuff, so yeah. Would I say it's worth the £9? No, not really. I mean, even though it's cheap, and it said at the end that you can get a certificate, but to get the actual physical certificate in the post, you have to pay £15, which I'm not gonna do. I guess it's one thing I can add to my CV, so that could be something that you could do if you're trying to get a job and you want to, you know, make yourself seem like you're a bit more interested in whatever subject. And yeah, if you aren't already subscribed, I would love it so much if you joined, and I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll probably have some more makeup on my face. Bye!